Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy, friends. I hope you all are doing well. Here in Exams Made Easy, you can get all the informations, all the ongoing court case status regarding AMI. As you can see here on the screen, we used to discuss each and every topic regarding AMI, and all the ongoing court case status was discussed in detail. And what about recognition? If you would like to know that what is the possibility of recognition, everything else you can get from this channel, and the link is available in the description box of this video as well, by following which you can get all the news. So friends, today we are going to discuss an important information. I think you people know it very well that summer 2020 examination is postponed, and what is the possibility of summer 2020 examination? I mean, it will be held by Institution of Engineers from July or not. That's what we are going to in detail. Please watch the full video to get all the information that you would like. Friends, this is the order copy that has been published by AICTE in their official website. So according to UGC guideline, I think you know it very well that all the final semester or final year examination of colleges and universities will be held from 1st of July and it will be completed till 31st July, and intermediate semester exams will be held after 31st July by UGC, and it will be completed till 31st July. And friends, according to UGC, AICTE also followed the same guideline, and this is the order copy of UGC AICTE. Let's see what is said in this order copy. Friends, you will get the same thing in the AICTE order copy as well. It was said that start of event semester will be started from 1st January 2020. I mean the semesters that already have started. So, and suspension of class from 16 March 2020. All the universities, all the colleges are now closed. I think you people know it very well. And summer vacation will be continued from 16 June till 30th June. And conduct of examination, terminal semester will be held by AICTE from 1st July till 15th July. And intermediate semesters from 16th July to 31st July. Though AICTE order is not directly applicable to AMI, but more or less, friends, since AMI is also, or Institution of Engineers is also a technical body, so probability of summer 2020 exam is, you can say, from first week of July 2020. And similarly, friends, today we are going to share one more order copy regarding this, because in previous video we have shared UGC order copy where it was mentioned that all the college and university exams will be held by UGC from 1st July, and now it is said by AICTE that AICTE also is going to conduct the final semester or terminal semester examinations from 1st July 2020. And now we are going to show you some other order copy of CBSE. So let's see what is mentioned in that order copy of CBSE. Friends, though CBSE is no way related to Institution of Engineers or AMI, but yet it is worth mentioning that UGC has mentioned that all the final semester examinations will be conducted by UGC from 1st July 2020. All the final semester examination of AICTE will be conducted from 1st July 2020. Similarly, CBSE also released this press release yesterday, that is on 8th May 2020, and CBSE will hold remaining class 10 and 12th examination from 1st to 15th July 2020. So you can say all the central government boards or central government organizations are going to hold the remaining examinations from 1st July 2020. So you can guess that AMI summer exam, probability of holding AMI summer exam by Institution of Engineers is first week of July. Though I am not sure about this, if I get some more news, some more authentic information, I definitely let you know. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.